Hi, superstars. It is time for math, and we are on lesson 3-2. Read, make, and write 6 and 7. We're going to use some cubes to make a group of 6 or 7 in different ways. So let's look at our picture here. Jackson sees some beach balls. We're going to choose a number card to tell how many, and then we're going to draw some connecting cubes to show that number on the beach blanket. So let's say we have a number card 6. So if there are 6 beach balls, we want to use some connecting cubes that we're going to draw to show that number 6. So let's put our 6 connecting cubes here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's one way you can connect your connecting cubes, and that is showing the number 6. You can count to make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is there another way we could put our connecting cubes to show the number 6? Yes, there is. Let's try another way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's another way. Let's count to make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So both sets of connecting cubes are showing the same number, just in different ways. All right, now let's say we pick a different number card and it has a 7 on it. So there were 7 beach balls. Let's show one way with connecting cubes to put 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 connecting cubes that we drew. That's one way to show 7. Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's show another way to show 7 using connecting cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's another way. Is there 7 connecting cubes there? Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, so there are different ways to show the number 6 or the number 7, and you can use connecting cubes in different ways to do that. Let's go to our next page. How can we show how many are in a group? Let's look at our first box here. Get my pen. Let's look at this box right here. What do you see in this picture? Shells. How can you tell how many shells you see? We can count them. So how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 shells. Let's look at our next picture here. How many counters are there? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 counters. How is this box like the first box that we looked at? They both show the number 6. How is it different? Well, this is another way to show 6. This picture shows counters instead of shells. Let's look at our third picture here. What number is Jackson writing? The number 6. Where do we start when we write the number 6? We start here at this black dot and we go down and around. So what number do you see over here? 6. And why do you think this number is in this box? To show how many shells there are. So let's write the number. Remember, we start at the top and we go down and around like that. Let's look at our guided practice down here. Let's look at number 1. So we see some stars. You're going to count the stars, and then we're going to practice writing the number that tells how many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's practice. You're starting from the top. 6. Let's write the number 6. Just trace it. All right, number 2. Let's count the objects. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's write the number. We start at that black dot. We go to the right and we go down. And we're always starting from the top. Number 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we start at that black dot and we go down and around. Practice writing your number 6. Good job. All right, let's go to our next page and start working. Number 4, and we are doing the same thing. We are going to count the objects and practice writing the number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Practice writing your 6 starting from the top. Number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It doesn't matter where I start counting from, as long as you keep track. Let's write 7. Always start from the top. Good job. Let's go to number 6. Oops. Number 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's no dot, but we know we have to start at the top. 1, 6, 2 6s, and 3 6s. All right, number 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. No dot, but we are going to start from the top and go down. Try to do that 3 times. We want to practice. 7. Good job, superstars. All right, we're going to go to the next page. We are on our independent practice page. For number 8 and 9, you are going to use counters to show the number that is written. So you're going to draw circles to show that number for 8 and 9. For number 10, you are going to count each object, and then you're going to write the number of the object that there are. So make sure you're keeping track by putting a line through each object and then write the number. All right, superstars, you're doing a great job. Until next time, have a wonderful day.